Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Here we have a cabinet lock made by YALE. It's a 5-pin lock. This lock has terrible bitting, which opens up raking as an attack vector. The keyway, like the lock, is tiny. This means being a little inventive with tension tools. Once the lock is open, I then place a tension tool into the lock to allow the driver pins to be pushed up and out of the keyway. And open sesame. Thanks for watching. I will see you all next time.